Stop field.
Alrighty. Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, November 13th, 10:32 a.m. We are long ES. And we have our 10 o'clock candle close above our 9:45 candle. So that's when I put my order in. So that is why I'm getting long. I'm not getting long because the 10:15 candle closed above the 10 o'clock candle. That is not the reason I'm getting long. I'm long because the 10 o'clock candle closed above the 9 o'clock candle. Okay? So my target for that trade, with trade day prop firm, I decided to do something different. So I'm going to do 2-to-1, all or nothing with trade day. So whatever I make in my personal account, I'm going to make twice as much with trade day. Maybe. We shall see. But that's the trade. So our target is 44.26. We are in at 44.16. Our target is 44.26. And our stop is 44.05. Okay, again, we are long ES. Our target is 44.26. And our stop is 44.05. And if I wasn't doing 2-to-1 all or nothing, my target would be 44.21. So target 1 will be 44.21. Target 2 will be 44.26. And my stop, no matter what, is 44.25. So we're going to see how this trade plays out.
Stop field.
Alrighty. So we just added another contract here on our long ES long. So now we are long 2 contracts of ES. Our target stays the same, and our stop stays the same. So we are long. We added another contract to our long on ES. And our target and our stop stays. You know what? No, actually, I'm going to move my stop up to 44.08 just because I added more risk. 44.07. Let's do that. 44.07 is the safest place on the chart. So let's do 44.07. Our stop is now 44.07, and our target is still 44.26. All right, so we're going to see how this trade play out.
Stop field.
Alrighty. So we just added a third contract to this position. So we're going to bring our stop up to 44, the break of 44.11. So I'll put my order in at 44.10.75. My target for this new contract is going to be 44.34. I'm going to keep my same original contract for my first two. My first target for the first 2 contracts at 44.26. And then for this new entry, my exit is going to be 44.34. So again, we're going to see how this trade plays out.
Order filled.
Okay. Took me a while to get to the mic, but we are out half of our position here on this let me turn autofill on. Alright. So we are out half our position here at 44.26. Our entry, we had a one entry at 44.18. No, we didn't. That's the moving average. I'll go over it during trade review where we entered at. But we made a nice little profit on that, and we're still holding one contract for our target of 44.34. So that is target number 2 for this contract, 44.34. And again, we're just gonna keep holding and see how this trade play out. Alrighty, real quick, I'm gonna move my stop up to 44.16. Just because I want to keep some of those profits locked in. My target still stays the same, 44.34. 44.34 is going to be my exit. It's just now my stop is now 44.16. So again, we're going to continue to hold. We sold half our position already, so we're just going to hold the rest and see how it plays out. But again, stop moved up to 44.16. Target stays the same, 44.34. So we're going to see how this trade play out.
Order filled.
All right, real quick, we are out of our last contract at target 43.34. All right, so we're gonna call it quits today. We're gonna call it quits there. I don't even know how many points we have. I need to put up my performance reports at the end of each video anyway. So I'm glad I just remembered. Put up our performance report on it today. All right, so we are up 28 points on the day. We are up 28 points for the day. So we're gonna call it quits there. That's the P&L for each contract. I think that's all that it shows. Yeah. Okay. So our buy price 44.16 out at, well, I'm not gonna even go over it. P&L for each contract. P&L for the day. We're gonna call it a day there before 12 o'clock. I'm rarely done before 12 o'clock. But again, we're gonna call it a day there. Great trade.